endelea kule. Lakini ukizungumzia basi michezo hiyo na mafanikio makubwa katika timu hii ya Kenya, utakosa kuzungumzia usimamizi ambao unaongozwa basi na rais wa shirika wa kamati ya Olimpiki nchini NOCK Paul Tergat, sawia na katibu wake ambaye ni Francis Mutuku. Basi katibu wake Francis Mutuku ameweza kuelezea imani kwamba Kenya kufikia sasa hivi medali ambazo imetoa jumla ya 5, kuna uwezekano kwamba mashindano basi ama michezo ijayo huenda tukaongeza medali zaidi na kuweza kutamba, hili likiipa basi jukwaa nzima talanta chipukizi kuonyesha ukakamavu na makali yao. Hebu msikize.
This is day 3 of the Youth Commonwealth Championship. As a National Olympic Committee, we are very, very happy with the performance so far. We know most of the time we want wins, and of course today we've gotten wins, but for the National Olympic Committee it's a very long-term program. We've been running the youth development since 2018 with a bit of interruption because of COVID. Then we resumed last year and we are still going on. Our long-term plan is for 2032 Olympics, but with an immediate plan of the 2026 Dakar Youth Olympics. The performance by the youth so far has shown that we are on track in terms of development. A lot of the youngsters who for the first time have been in international stage are doing very, very well. They are meeting their equals around the Commonwealth nations. They have been able to put very, very good performance. The technical team have been following keenly on these performances, and clearly they are drawing the program of which areas we need to adjust, which areas we need to improve on, and which areas we need to continue building on, so that we continue building a strong youth team, so that in the future years we can be able to be competitive. We are very happy with the performance of the rugby girls, coming number 4 out of the nations which were participating. That was exemplary performance. We are happy with the cyclists, the triathlon and the swimming, most of them who have given out their personal best, and we hope we can be able to build on that.
Basi tukitoka kule Trinidad na Tobago